Welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today it is Mystery Nail Art Challenge Day. I've got the bag. Let's pull some stuff out. I feel like we should go for a packet of some kind, but I'm very concerned because there's so many packets in here. I don't know what I'm going to end up with. Whatever this is, it'll be it. Okay, this is not bad. I can work with these stickers. We need one more item. Let's get a container from the bottom. These colors don't go, but I guess we're gonna make them go. Well, I've already spilled it. I was just gonna show you what we got here. Let me turn this light on. So it's these sparkles, which is fine in theory, but like, why are there so many colors? Some of these colors are not very fall-timey. And then also we have these, which are fine. I can make these work. We're just gonna have French tips. Loosely French. I like these. I don't know what we're gonna do with that. My nails are naked. Let me go gather some supplies. Okay, I've gathered some supplies. Quickly, let me throw on a base coat. Okay, so I've brought Orly products today. We're going to use this shade called Sheer Luck. It is kind of like a nudie pink, and it has the most minute sparkle. I've chosen this shade because I feel like a nude would probably be the most responsible choice to try and make work with what we've got to do here. Alright, so I did, while I was off camera, actually go in and put a quick dry top coat on here as well, also from Orly, so that we can get into this nail art. Let's start with the stickers. So as a reminder, these are them. I'm thinking what we'll do is we'll do stickers on these two and the thumb, and then glittery these two, and see if we can't incorporate some glitter and a sticker at least on some of these. So let's see what's gonna look good. We don't want to eat up all of the nail, but I do like the jaggedy top ones. Yes, I think we'll start with this one. Let's get our uber sharp tweezers that like to rip stickers and try not to rip some stickers. Okay, I've got some of it. Alright, now we've got to try and get this on here with some sense, because we need it to go all the way to the end, but also we don't want it hanging off on either side. Here? Yeah? Okay. We're on to something. No, it's hanging off on this side. Man, see? I shouldn't have tried. Oh no, I can't peel it up because it's peeling up my polish. Look. What we've done is what we've got to keep. That is just terrible. Okay. Some choices are forever, and I thought giving these things 15 minutes to dry was going to prevent this. Now we've got to do some trimming, and I've got these beautiful little scissors to do it with. Alright, it's a little lumpy around the edges, And I would like, ooh, don't push down. You're leaving fingerprints. I would like to file the edges, but somehow it seems I didn't bring a file with me. So we'll see how irritated I become before I'll go get one. But let's have a look at it. That's okay. Nobody should go over here. Yes, these crinkles. Alright, now I'm going to try and get this one, I feel like, for this nail, and do a better job with the placement. Let's start over here so that we know it's in the right spot. Stickers like to jump on. Okay. That is all the way at the edge. Good. Good. Now we just want to come across. And actually it looks like that was the perfect size sticker because it came all the way. Okay. Alright, we're on to something with this one. Let's do our trimming. The problem with trimming stickers is the little trimmed bits get stuck to the scissors. And so then when you're trying to continue to trim, you can't see anything. Okay, I think that's a halfway decent job. Yeah. This one's probably gonna need some filing too, just because of the lumps. But we'll give it a moment. Yeah. Not a fan of how this is looking in here, but that's okay. Let's do the thumb. We're gonna need a big one. So I'm thinking we take maybe this one. Yeah? Okay. And same thing, we'll start, well, I guess that's the edge. It placed itself. There we go. And we'll roll across. It made it most of the way. I can live with that. Let's push that down a little. Let me trim real quick. Yep, definitely gonna have to get the file because I could not get at that. Oh no, my finger was pushing on it. What an idiot. I'm devastated. It looked so good, and if I try and patch this, it's just gonna smear onto the sticker. I wonder though if a top coat would melt it enough to blend it back together or leave it kind of weird. I guess we can try it, and if it's horrible, we'll cover it with stickers. Glitter. Glitter is the word I meant. Now, I don't know if this Orly top coat melts polish as well as my China Glaze one, but we gonna find out. It seems like the answer is no, because let's see if it'll... Yeah, that's looking real stupid. I cannot believe I've done this. Let me go get a file. Alright, so I've got this file. I use it. It's from my desk, but it'll do. Let's see if we can't smooth off some of these edges a little bit. Yes. That's an improvement, I'd say. Now, I would say when you're doing this, try and be very light about it so that you're not actually filing down your nails and you're just getting off these sticker bits. My hands are covered in sticker bits. I am still truly appalled that I've done this. So this is going to be the first one that we blend some glitter into. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a little bit of base coat to create an adhesion layer. And wipe most of it off because we don't really need it much. I really want it to be mostly up here at the top and then just kind of feathering down, but we don't want it to be on here at all. So I'm going to try not to put any. And let's give that just a moment to get a little bit dry and a little bit tacky. And as a reminder, this is the glitter that we're using. Not exactly fall colors, but we're gonna make it work. And I'm gonna use this brush to put some on. We'll just dip it in here. We've got a little bit. Let's stick it in. It looks like a birthday party. It's not exactly the look I was going for. Let's see if we can get some more up here at the top. And then what I'll do is I'll try and use this end to pull it down. It's not working at all. Great. Come on, blend some down. There we go. Alright, so let's look at this. Or attempt to. I am not a huge fan. It's smooth enough though. Yes, well, I feel like we need some more over here, but it's not going on there as easy as I would prefer. Let's see if I can just get a little bit in here. I should get out a detail brush to do this, but I didn't, so we're not. Get in there. I'm getting this everywhere, but that's okay. Yeah. It's an improvement, I guess, on the glittering, not the color of the glitter. It doesn't make sense at all, but it's what we're living with. Alright, let's go over here and put some. Alright, and then a little bit on this one here, because we're going to glitter it up too. Might as well let it get started drying as well. Okay, we gave that a little bit of time. Let's glitter this guy up. These ones are gonna just be full-on glitter. And there's gonna be glitter everywhere, all over my mat and my little hand rest and probably my whole room and my life, but it's fine. Alright, yes, yes. See if we can get some of this excess off. Great. Just how we like it, guys. Alright. To be honest, it looks a little bit like a disco ball. Let's get some on this one then. 'Tis the season for disco fall. These are not fall colors at all. But I like to think, because some of these glitters are gold, that it's still tying everything together. That's my thought. Alright, so we've got all that on here. Look at all this. Haha. It's so much. Here, let's wipe this loose glitter a bit. There's a sticker on my brush. I don't know when it got there. Don't blame me for the chaotic nature of this method. It is not my personality tag. I'm gonna have to wash this thing. And this whole thing. I've discovered though, in case you guys are wondering, if you put these whole silicone mats in the washing machine, like where you wash your clothes, it just washes them and they come out perfectly clean. And I have found that to be a lot easier than having to fight to get every little fleck up. Sure, lint roller it off, but then put it in the washing machine. Alright, so here's what we've got. I don't know if we should do any more. Like, I would like to somehow tie it together better, but I feel like that's a risky game. And also, it's a little patchy here. I wonder if I can get a little bit more in there of these big pieces. You might have to put more top coat to do so, but I'm gonna try it. I think I got a few in there. Anyways, let's ignore that huge mess I've made. I don't know, guys. I don't want to do this to these other nails because it's just gonna get more and more chaotic. And I want the stickers to at least be able to bring something to the table. What if I tried to like place a few pieces individually? That's ridiculous. No, we're not going to put on rhinestones because that's too much as well. Let's just close the glitter. Don't let the too much Jean kick in. I did say we're not letting that happen this time. And then let's use this smudge-free top coat first so that it doesn't get real crazy with my quick dry. Alright, I've done a little bit of lint rolling, and we're going to go ahead and try and put some of this Orly second dry on here. Alright guys, tell me, what are you thinking of this month's Mystery Nail Art Challenge? I would say it's not my favorite. My favorite one was the one with the snakes, but it's not my least favorite. Remember that one with the flowers and the gold and the silver we had to mix together? That was terrible. I don't hate this. I am going to definitely go outside and get you some outside photos, maybe even some sort of little video clip so that you can see the glitter sparkle. Photos just don't really do that for you. But it's okay. I'll wear it, at least for now. It's not my ideal style, but it will do. It's not terrible. And I do have this whole other naked hand that I haven't done anything with yet. I don't know if it's going to turn into a video or not, but I know that I have a AliExpress haul coming up with some stuff that I don't typically use. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. And maybe I'll put that stuff on this other hand. We'll see. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking my video and leaving me comments. I do always appreciate when you interact with my videos, and I appreciate you watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.